Even before the official debut of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, whispers of a sleeker, more upscale version began circulating, anticipated for a fall release. Initially dubbed the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, this variant promised a more streamlined design compared to the standard model. However, since then, both Google and Honor have unveiled their own foldable devices that boast a thinner profile than the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the yet-to-be-released version. This has led Samsung to reconsider the naming of its forthcoming flagship foldable. Current speculation suggests it will be branded as the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, a title that arguably fits better than the original Slim. The term Slim would have been misleading, as the device doesn't quite meet the expectations of being ultra-thin, risking mockery from competitors. In fact, Honor has already taken a playful jab at Samsung regarding the bulkiness of its latest foldable, with a cheeky remark aimed at the Galaxy Z Fold 6. However, for similar reasons, the special edition may not turn out to be particularly unique. It could simply represent the version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 that Samsung should have launched from the outset. Up until now, the information has been largely based on rumors and leaks, lacking solid proof of the device's existence. However, things are starting to change with a purported render of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 surfacing online. Android Headlines has unveiled an image that seems to depict the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. At first glance, it resembles the Z Fold 6, but a closer inspection reveals a significantly slimmer profile. The device is rumored to measure just 10.6mm in thickness when folded, making it notably thinner than the 12.1mm Galaxy Z Fold 6. While this is an impressive feat, it still falls short of the 10.5mm Pixel 9 Pro Fold and the 9.2mm Honor Magic V3. The overall design mirrors Samsung's flagship foldable, enhanced with the necessary refinements to compete with other popular foldable devices. The image hints that the special foldable might feature a brushed metal back, although it appears that the rear glass has a metal-like finish instead. While the leaked image makes it hard to confirm, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition could have a more pronounced camera bump, which seems likely given its slimmer design. Additionally, the foldable is expected to position the power and volume buttons on the side, similar to the standard Fold 6, with the power button potentially protruding to maximize internal space. The image also reveals the cover display of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, showcasing a centrally located hole punch camera. Recent leaks from Evan Blass on X suggest exciting developments for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, although his account is currently set to private. The leaks indicate a slightly more streamlined design and an enhanced rear camera system. This upgrade could be significant, as no foldable device in North America currently boasts a camera system that can rival flagship models. For instance, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold falls short compared to the Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 lags behind the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the OnePlus Open doesn't measure up to the OnePlus 12. Samsung stands out as the biggest offender, with its $1,900 folding phone featuring the same rear camera system as the $800 standard Galaxy S24, and it has been nearly 3 years without any updates. Anticipation is building for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, particularly regarding its camera capabilities. The standard Fold 6 utilizes camera components from the regular Galaxy S24, which, while adequate for everyday photography, falls short compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra and other competing foldable devices. Recent insights from Blass suggest that the Special Edition could replace the 50 megapixels main camera with a more impressive 200 megapixels sensor. This upgrade echoes earlier rumors about a potential Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra variant. Additionally, this new sensor may offer 2x optical zoom and could be the same ISOCELL HP3 camera featured in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, it remains uncertain if the Special Edition will also enhance its telephoto or ultra-wide camera options. If the Special Edition indeed boasts a 200 megapixels main camera, emphasizing this upgrade would certainly be more compelling than the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim branding. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition is set to feature updated display sizes and a new aspect ratio. The primary display is expected to grow to 8 inches, slightly larger than the standard Fold 6 7.6-inch screen. This increase in screen real estate is a welcome enhancement for users who enjoy multitasking with several apps open simultaneously. When closed, the device will showcase a 6.5-inch display, which is an increase of 0.2 inches compared to the regular Galaxy Z Fold 6. It remains uncertain whether Samsung will achieve this larger screen size by expanding it horizontally or vertically. Competing devices like the OnePlus Open and Pixel 9 Pro Fold are moving towards a more rectangular display design. Given that the Fold 6 Special Edition focuses on a sleeker profile, it's unlikely we'll see an under-display fingerprint scanner on either the main or cover screens. Recent reports about the thickness of Samsung's upcoming foldable device have been somewhat inconsistent, but the latest information suggests it measures 11.5 millimeters when folded. While the current Galaxy Z Fold 6 boasts an attractive design, it stands out among other foldables due to its thickness. In fact, the Fold 6 is bulkier than the newly unveiled Honor Magic V3 and the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This is where the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition enters the picture. According to leaks, this variant will be slimmer, coming in at 11.5 millimeters thick, which is 0.6 millimeters less than the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6. This reduction in thickness is due to the elimination of the digitizer, meaning it won't support the S Pen stylus, a curious omission for a special edition device. Since its initial leaks a few months back, it has been widely reported that this new foldable device will not support the S Pen stylus, unlike the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which does, although the stylus is sold separately. However, a new update from Ice Universe on X, a well-known source for smartphone leaks, indicates that the special edition will indeed support the S Pen. It's important to note that this does not imply the presence of a built-in slot for the stylus. Rather, it will be compatible with the separately sold S Pen, similar to its predecessor. While details remain sparse, a response from Ross Young hints that Samsung may need to explore alternative solutions to integrate S Pen support into the Z Fold Special Edition, as it won't include a digitizer due to concerns over thickness and cost. This raises questions about how Samsung will enable S Pen functionality on this new foldable. Despite this, it still lags behind the Honor Magic V3 and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I believe the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition will outperform the standard model, yet the differences highlight how Samsung is trailing in foldable technology. Neither the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 nor the anticipated Special Edition is likely to compete with the leading foldables from brands like Honor and Vivo. In fact, it may not even lead the pack in the US, where the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and OnePlus Open continue to excel in their respective niches. So, all in all, it looks like we are gonna get a brand new Fold from Samsung this year, and it looks quite promising too. So, what are your thoughts on this new slim foldable from Samsung? Let us know it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.